Right, now it's time to try some inputs. Up until now, we've only been using outputs. Let's go over here. We've been using the outputs, and we've been using M1 and M2 and M3 and M4 to control lights and motors. Now we want to try some of these inputs over here. I've connected a button to one of the inputs, but I just connected it all willy-nilly like while not concentrating. So I don't know which one I've connected it to. Let's click the button and let's see what happens. So you can see I'm pressing the button and you can see I2, input 2, is changing. So now it's off, now it's on. Right. So now we know our button is connected to I2. Let's start a new program, and let's quickly make a program that just flashes a light. So you can remember in the first one, we made a program to flash the light using the motor block and the time delay block. So let's drag the start man in there, like always, and we know our light's connected to M1, so I'm going to drag the motor block, and it's set to M1, and it's set to clockwise and full speed. If I choose lamp, you can see it's on or reverse on, makes no difference, and it's brightness. That just changes the pictures and the names, so you don't have to change those, but you can if you want to. It'll work the same either way. So now we want to make a little pause, and then we want to turn the light off. So to do that, we're going to go here. I'm going to keep it on M1. I'm going to say stop, or if it was lamp, it would be off. And obviously that wouldn't make a difference because when it's turning off, you don't need to set the brightness. Right, wait 1 second, move this guy up to give me some space. Draw, 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 and draw, and I decide I want that further apart. Now if I run it, you can see that my light flashes. Now, I've got a button connected. So I don't want it to turn on and off when there's a time delay. I want it to turn on and off when I push the button. So let's just try changing this one here to a button quickly. I'm going to select him, delete him, and then drag this new thing in here. So you can see, remember, this waits for 1 second. This one waits for an input. It waits for the button to be pressed. And can you remember which button it's connected to? Because I don't think it's connected to I1. Let's go into our test interface and check again. So let's push the button, and it's connected to I2. Right, so let's go in there and change it to I2. Okay, so let's run it now. And you can see the light is on and it's waiting for the button. So now when I push the button, it carries on.